welcome back to my channel. This is a bit of a weekly vlog. It's a little bit of a mishmash of all sorts of things. So the video is going to start off with just an update as to what we've done in the garden. So I thought I'd just quickly show you how far the decking's progressed. This is the second day, and you can see that now we're at the stage where just the frame has been made and the decking is now going on. You can see Chris there and Gary sort of eyeing up their work. It started to rain, so we needed to put a little gazebo up. And this is it, all finished. And Teddy was the first one to explore the decking. There we are, my love. So it's all done. So I've got a few things to tidy away. It's still like steptoe's yard down there. That needs to be sorted now. So a few bits and bobs still to put away. Tomorrow, Chris and Luke are going to move the gazebo there back down here and screw it down onto the decking, move the table and everything back down. The plants that for now we're just rearrange them down this part of the garden because we need to buy the saucers and the little feet that they stand on, so it protects the decking. The chimney can come back up here, and then what remains to be done is this lot here, all down here, has to be slabbed. So yeah, now we need to go and buy the slabs to do the next stage of the garden. But I'm really chuffed with it. Only took Gary 2 days to do it, and yeah, it's big, it's lovely, it's really nice. You can see how big it is. Right, so we've actually put the garden to bed now. It's a bit too late for us in the year to really think about relaying the patio out here. We're going to just leave it until the spring now, and then we will know exactly what we really want to do, because we are in a quandary as to whether we want to do this or want to do that. So it's not worth doing anything until we really know. So spring's going to be the best time. But what we have done is tidied it up. We've literally just moved things right back to the side like this, so that it looks tidy. Okay, we've put the herb station, we've just popped that here, just behind some of the plants there. The fairy garden is very much a wild garden right at the moment. We've kept both the bird feeders here, and I'm going to go out and get some of those today to put some feed up for the birds. And on the barbecue here, we just sort of opened it and popped some plants on there to keep them off the ground. Put the elephant down there. The little wood burner is there, and then we've put some. Chris has just got to put his shovel away in the garage. We've just moved a few things around. So the dogs are loving it because they're sniffing sort of where everything is new. And then the decking looks like this for the moment. Along here there is going to be a little fence, like a little sort of picket fence, so that if anyone's on the decking, they can't just slip off and break their ankle, or me break another bone. So it's going to have a little fence just along the bottom here, and then there'll be like a walkway sort of obviously here, look. Now we've got the decking done, we know what we want to sort of partly know what we want to achieve. So from this angle, there you go, you can see everything's quite sort of neat and ready for the winter. There you go. The tree is completely in seed. gazebo's here now with the, you know, like the frame of the furniture, and that's all been bolted down now. Obviously not going to put the cover on until the summer. Chris put new drain cover on there. Still got a plant there, that's fine, and the hose there. Then over here we've put the Buddha looking out, wishing us prosperity and all the rest of it. And then the lilac tree is just here. And then down here, we haven't moved anything, so that's still got my like horseshoes and my little wolf sign, and it says family home as you come in through the back way. Yep, so that is what we've done so far in the garden until next spring. And then myself, Chris, Hannah and Luke, we decided to go off to Garson's, which is a garden centre quite close by to us, and have a look around there. We had a look at all the Christmas stuff that they've got in. So come with us and have a look around Garson's. Oh dear, then the unexpected happened, doesn't it always? Oh dear, we've had a leak in the bathroom. I'm about to take the floor covering up. Need to get allow these floorboards to dry. We've sorted the leak out now, but Chris has come in and decorated it. He has repainted the walls, so the bath panels are up as well, so that the air can get through and dry everything. We have gone and got some new flooring. So meanwhile, everything is just everywhere, as you can see. But that's the new colour. It's a really lovely sort of silver grey, really, really nice. The spare bedroom is looking a bit like this because there's stuff from the cupboard that was in the bathroom, and Chris's old vintagey ladder that he loves. So yeah, there's the mirror from the bathroom. Everything's dumped, so I need to get all this sorted. And of course, in typical style, one lot of chaos results in another. Of course, the messiness from the bathroom into the back bedroom resulted in me carrying it on into the dressing room. Come and see how I've managed to just dwindle down some of the clothes on my hanging rail, which I've donated to charity. Look at the state of this room, this dressing room of mine. Look at it. What a flipping junk shop. That's what it's like, a junk shop. because I've decided to sort some of the clothes from up there. I have so many, and the ones that I'm giving to charity are on this chair and my dressing table. I'm being really ruthless. I'm really trying to be 100% ruthless and just get rid of a load of stuff. So I'm going to pop you on a little time lapse so that you can see me try to, well, get on with this. One clean dressing table, so everything's off. It actually equated to 3 black bin liners to go to the charity shop. I've still got absolutely tons of clothes, as you can see up here. They're all along this whole rail. What I will do in time, I obviously can't do it all now because of my arm, but yeah, what I'm thinking of doing is getting up there, move this way, and I want to try and sort out like skirts and tops, trousers, dresses, that sort of thing, because they're absolutely organised chaos. I mean, I know pretty much where everything is in there now, up there now, but I want to put some sort of more order to it. So that's going to have to wait for another day. I also got myself this little top, a little block colour top. So it's like cream at the top, khaki, and then it goes down to black. I thought that'd be quite nice because the sleeves are short and they're quite wide, and I thought that would be perfect for me to wear with leggings, with, you know, my arm being in the brace. So I thought that was really pretty. Also on Saturday we've got a wedding to go to. It's my friend Heather, once come from Canada. It's her niece's wedding. So I've got this dress that I bought. It doesn't look anything on the hair because of course it's hanging really funnily. And it's a job for me to show you, but it's a Bardot top. And then it just comes down and you've just got this really pretty sort of skirt to it. And perfect again for me and the brace. Yeah, what I do is I find the picture and insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like, because it doesn't look like it looks on the hanger. And in this part of the video, you'll see where myself and my daughter Hannah, we were invited to the opening of the new salon of Rebecca H's salons in Southampton. It was a PR event that we were kindly invited to by Southampton bloggers. Take a look at just a very short snippet of the fun. Right, so we're on our way out, myself and Hannah. Hi bees. We're going to a PR event tonight. I can't wait to share it with you. A bit more footage while we're there. So we've got to travel to Southampton now. See you soon. Hi guys, you probably won't be able to hear me because it's really eventful here tonight. We're at the new location of Rebecca H's salon in Southampton, in Bedford Place. We're having an absolutely amazing time. Just about to have the raffle now.
all our lovely clients, all my lovely family and friends, my mum and dad, my sister, my husband Scott, like everyone, Andy. What would we do without you? No, seriously, like we're only here because of you guys, and we really appreciate all your support, all your loyalty, and yeah, thank you so much for coming tonight. Eat all the food, drink all the drink, and make sure you come back for haircut. Massive thank you to my team who are flipping amazing. Worked so hard, like even tonight, like even though we're you're supposed to be enjoying yourselves too, so I really appreciate it. I'm going to ask for a better team, and I know you guys all know how good they are and how much they care about the salon and everything we've done. So yeah, thank you guys, and yeah.
Unfortunately, we didn't make it to the wedding. I totally overdid it with my arm. I've been in an awful lot of pain. I've been up most of the night before the wedding that we were meant to go to. Despite taking so many painkillers, there's absolutely no way that I could manage to get there. I couldn't manage to get ready or anything, so that's really, really regretful. You can see I bought a new dress for it and I didn't actually get around to wearing it. Yeah, so that was a really disappointing thing, but these things happen, and as you know, they're sent to try us, right?